whether encountering this error during the update request or facing delays in the update progress. This guide offers proven ways to swiftly address the situation and ensure a smooth transition to the latest iOS version. Part 2. Why does my iPhone say update requested? iOS demand strains servers, causing delays. Slow internet hampers downloads. Ensure ample iPhone charge. Low battery impedes updates. Compatibility, storage issues limit downloads. Software problems need troubleshooting. Part 3. How to fix iPhone stuck on update requested. Fix 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. A primary cause of iOS 16/17 stuck on update requested or encountering related update issues is often attributed to a weak or non-existent Wi-Fi connection. Fix 2. Reset your network settings. When your iOS update is stuck at update requested, it's essential to investigate potential network issues. Resetting your network settings is a method to address network-related problems. Fix 3. Check Apple server status. If your Wi-Fi connection is not the culprit, the disruption in network services might stem from potential downtime on Apple's servers. Fix 4. Enable and disable airplane mode. An effective approach to address the update requested on iOS 16 screen is to toggle airplane mode on and off. This action serves to refresh the network connection, facilitating a smoother download of iOS 16. Fix 5. Force restart iPhone. One approach to resolving the iOS 17, iOS 16, 5.16, 4.16 to 16. One update requested issue is to initiate a force restart on your device. Fix 6. Free up your iPhone storage. If you've restarted your iPhone and the issue persists during the latest iOS update, it's crucial to ensure that your device has sufficient available space. Fix 7. Delete update and retry. When encountering the iOS 16/17 update requested stuck issue, another viable solution is to delete the update and attempt the process again. Fix 8. Update iPhone using iTunes. Update iPhone using iTunes, a reliable approach to resolve the update requested issue on your iPhone is to perform a manual update using iTunes. Fix 9. Put your iPhone in DFU mode. If the aforementioned solutions prove ineffective in resolving the iPhone stuck on update requested issue, you may opt for a final troubleshooting method, placing your iPhone into DFU device firmware update mode.